Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to code guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Samsung phone guys pattern lock guys, how can we set. Friends, we want to set guys your Samsung phone guys phone pattern lock. So how can you set and how can you use it? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting guys, and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see guys Samsung phone guys this lock screen setting guys, we will tap here. Guys you can see screen lock type guys, we will tap here. So guys you can see medium security, and guys we will tap on pattern. So friends you can see guys your pattern lock. So guys we will draw pattern, and friends you can see remember this pattern. If you forget it you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. So I don't forget your pattern guys, remember it. So guys we will take this pattern, continue and confirm it. Then guys come back. Friends you can see guys your pattern lock will set guys. So guys we will off our screen, and guys we will check guys pattern lock. So friends you can see guys we have this pattern lock. So guys we will draw our pattern to unlock our Samsung phone. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set pattern lock in Samsung phone. So bye guys.